Hello my friends, in this video I want to show you how I made this smokeless fire pit. Fire pit consists of two circuits, hermetically connected to each other. The outer brick contour has holes at the bottom for air intake. The inner contour is made of steel and has holes at the top of the cylinder. The steel heats up and heats up the air between the fire pit circuits. The heated air rushes upward and goes through the holes in the direction of the fire. This improves combustion and reduces the amount of smoke. I made the blueprints for steel part and gave it to laser cutting and rolling. I got such blanks. Welding the cylinder. I weld the top. If you do something like this, then my advice is to make the top solid and thicker. I'm not a professional welder, and after welding the top, it became wavy. I clean the seams and weld both parts. I mark and remove the top layer of the earth. In the center I make a hole for water drainage. I lay geotextile and fill it with rubble. Then finish layer of a smaller fraction rubble. Don't forget to level it. In the bottom row, the bricks are sewn from both sides to make air gaps. To lay them out correctly, I initially lay out the bricks from the second row and then replace them with the bricks from the first row. I spread the next 4 rows. I tried to make it with no gaps, but in the end I still had to cover everything from the inside with a fire-resistant sealant. I paint the steel part with fire-resistant paint. I use a compressor, but you can use spray paint. Red Cat liked it.